Hey there YouTube, this is Intelleric the Coin Medic. This is my first video for the 2015 year, and I want to share a little series I started collecting, a very short series, not a lot of coins in this series. It's the Bird of Prey series by the Royal Canadian Mint, and the first coin that was released is this coin I have here that's graded MS69, and it is the Peregrine Falcon. I like this coin. As you can see, looks like a little milk spot has formed there. Hopefully that's about as far as the milk spots will go on this coin, but I can live with it since it's an MS69. Really like this. As you can see, is 0.9999 fine silver, urgent pure, 1 ounce coin. Of course, we all know Her Majesty's on the back, Queen Elizabeth II. Now let's look at the other coin that came out last year. This was the last coin for 2014. This is the Bald Eagle, and this is graded MS69. I just bought the proof version of this. I haven't received it yet, so I'm pretty sure most of us have already seen these coins. So I'll probably put it in another video when I'm doing a video of my coins that I have from Canada, but I probably won't do a special one for that coin since it's nothing new. This one looks pretty good. What's interesting about these coins, I'm not sure about this one, but I know that the Peregrine Falcon, the highest grade you can get on that coin is a 69. There's no 70s. So that's pretty interesting in itself. But what I really did the video for is to get to the newest coin in the series, which is the Red Tail Hawk. I don't know if anybody's actually shown this yet. I picked this up from JM Bullion with the rest of the coins. As you know, you have to spend at least $100 with them, so I ended up picking up 2 of them to make it, to meet the $100 minimum. But I like this coin. I think it's a very nice coin. I don't think looking at me holding it here does any justice as far as seeing it on the camera, but nevertheless, it's a beautiful coin. Very impressed with this coin. So I think I may pick up another 1 or 2 of these. I really like these, but we'll see. I think these coins that they make, or that the Royal Canadian Mint make, are absolutely beautiful. I just hate the milk spot problems that they seem to be having with a lot of their coins. So hopefully they'll get that worked out. So I just wanted to share this with you, and I hope you enjoyed this little coin showing. And once again, this is Intelleric the Coin Medic. Talk to you later.